Hello everyone. Today we'll do the revision of chapter number 3, that is features of word processor part 1. So we'll start with superscript. Letter or digits shown above the normal line are known as superscript. You can see here this is the normal line, right? And you can see above the numbers are above the normal line, and this type of equations are called superscript. What is subscript? Letter or digits shown below the normal line are called subscript. For subscript you can see other down. See here you can see the normal line is this one, but 6, 12 and 6 are just below it, right? So for chemical equation normally subscript is used. Next comes page orientation, direction in which a page is displayed or printed. Okay, orientation means what? The way in which the page will be displayed or printed means, say normally in our textbook, the way the text are printed are in portrait kind, means vertical. You can see this is vertical in shape, vertical type of printing is there. But landscape is what? When we make a scenery, you might have seen your drawing book. Your drawing book is an example of landscape. It was somewhat horizontal, the lengthwise it was more, but the height wise it was less. That is known as landscape. Next come indent. Indent is amount of space given between the text and page margin. What is indent? It's the amount of space that is given in between the text and the page margin. By default, in MS Word the page margin value is 1 from each side, that is from top, bottom, right and left, and indent is the space given between the margin and text. See, here are some kind of indent in this figure. You can see some kind of indent, though you don't have in your book, but you can have an idea of left indent, hanging indent, first line indent and right indent. These are the 4 indents. Okay, we'll move to next, margin. Space between the four side of and text of a document. See here, if I enlarge this, you can see here some margins, you can see some values are set, right? These are known as margins, and by normal or by default this is the normal margin or the default margin, that is top 1 inch, left 1 inch, bottom 1 inch and right 1 inch. Format painter. The format painter on the home tab is used to apply same formatting like color, font style, font size and border style to multiple pieces of text or graphics. See, through format painter we can apply the same format, same changes to the next paragraph. See, if you have decided some of the changes for the first paragraph, you have set the changes for the first paragraph, and if you want the same changes will be there for the second paragraph, so you can use this format painter. The format painter will copy the settings, okay, all the settings like your font style, size, this bold, italic, underline, all this it will copy it and it will be applied to your next paragraph. So it saves time, no need to do it number of time, no need to set it number of times, only need to copy it and paste it. And next is applying the shadow effect, get a 3D look to the text. See, what is shadow effect? Shadow effect means the text will have three-dimensional figures. You people have read in your maths in standard 3 about solid shapes, right? It have 3 dimensions. That means length, breadth and height. Similarly, if you want your text to look in 3D shapes, then you have to use this shadow effect. The header is placed in the top margin of a document while the footer is appear at the lower part. See, a header will be always at the top of the page, at the top margin of the page, whereas footer will be appearing on the down. or the bottom of the page. See, if you see your book, in footer part will have the page numbers. Normally in your book, in footer part you can see your page number. Next comes column break. Column break ends the column and shift the text to the beginning of the column. See, you might have seen in many of the books like journal science, social studies, they are printed column wise, right? So if you want, after this you need to break your column, you want another column, just use the option column break. Here the next part will come in other column. You can see a two column, it had made the two columns. The default margin are set at 1 inch from the top and bottom and 1 inch from right and left edges of the page. See, 1 inch, I told you this before also, by default 1 inch was set from each side. See, portrait, we talk about the orientation. I told you vertical way of presentation is portrait and the horizontal way of presentation is landscape. See, if you see these two pictures, okay, if you see these two picture, you can understand this is a normal textbook, whereas this shape will be of drawing book. If you want to print like this, that is portrait, and if you want to print like this way, that is landscape. Tab key, you have a tab key on your keyboard. Tab key on the keyboard allows the user to indent the text. If you want to give a particular amount of space after the margin, then you can use your tab key. The tab put stops were set the default at 0. By default tab was set at 0.5 inch, and that can be changed. With this we end up. Thank you.